Dear friend, the dance of love is a beautiful interplay of closeness and space. When relating to a man, respect his need for personal space and take time to nurture your own individuality as well. Closeness is essential, but giving each other space to breathe and grow independently is equally important. It creates a healthy balance that strengthens your bond. So, let the balance of closeness and space be the guiding dance in your love story, and together, you'll create a symphony of harmony and mutual respect.